Imagine this. You walk into a room and suddenly everyone pays attention. Your words carry weight. Your family values your opinions. Your friends admire you. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. Respect is not given. It's earned. And if you have ever felt ignored, undervalued, or even disrespected by the people closest to you, it's time to change that. Today, I am going to give you the key habits that will make your family and friends respect you more without being rude or arrogant. And stick with me till the end, because before the end of this video, I am going to give you most impactful lesson that will truly change everything. Ever noticed how the most respected people in any group are not the ones who talk the most, but the ones who listen? A few years ago, I had a friend Jack. Jack had a lot to say all the time. He always had an opinion, always shared his thoughts, always interrupted. And guess what? No one actually listened to him. But then there was Mark. Mark didn't speak as much, but when he did, people leaned in. They waited for his words. Why? Because he didn't waste his voice on every little thing. He listened more than he spoke, and that made his words more powerful. So if you want people to respect your words, don't waste them. Listen, ask questions, let others speak first, and when it's your turn, they will actually want to hear you. Let's get real. Trying to make everyone happy is the fastest way to lose respect. I knew a guy named Sam. Nicest person ever. Always available. Always saying yes. Need a favor? Call Sam. Need a ride? Call Sam. Need someone to cover for you? Again, call Sam. But you know what's crazy? No one respected him. Here's the truth. If you keep saying yes to everything, people will assume your time and energy are not valuable. Why? Because when you give too much without limits, people stop valuing your time. And when you don't value yourself, why should they? So be kind, be helpful, but don't be a doormat. Learn to say no when something doesn't align with your priorities. People respect those who respect themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a big difference between being respected and being feared. Some people think they need to be loud, rude, or controlling to gain respect. But that only makes people avoid you, not admire you. Now picture this. Two bosses. One is loud, demanding, always yelling to get people's attention. The other, calm, clear, and confident. He doesn't raise his voice, but when he speaks, people listen. So who do you think is respected more? Guys, being assertive means expressing your thoughts and needs clearly without being rude. Stand tall, speak with confidence, set boundaries. That's what makes people respect you. Imagine this. You make plans with a friend. They promise they will be there, but at the last minute, they cancel. Again, how do you feel? Annoyed, right? Nothing destroys respect faster than empty promises. If you say you will do something, do it. Whether it's something small, like I will call you back, or something big, like I will be there for you. If you don't follow through, people stop trusting you. And guess what? No trust means no respect. Here's the reality. If you don't respect yourself, no one else will. Let me tell you about Daniel. Daniel used to let people walk all over him. He accepted disrespect. He stayed quiet when people were rude, and as a result, people treated him exactly how he allowed them to. But one day, he decided enough was enough. He started standing up for himself. He stopped explaining himself to people who didn't value him. He stopped chasing friendships that were one-sided. And you know what happened? People started treating him differently. They listened when he spoke. They valued his presence. So stop waiting for others to respect you first. Start with yourself. Because when you respect yourself, others have no choice but to follow. Now, I'm going to reveal the most important lesson I promised in starting of this video. But before that, I have a challenge for you. Which of these habits will you start practicing today? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and bell icon. With anything doesn't matter, but make sure you hit it. Finally, one of the most impactful ways to earn respect is by sharing valuable knowledge. Just like this video. When you uplift those around you and help them grow, even a little, you build trust and admiration. So, share this video with your loved ones and let's create a community where we all rise together. Because when we grow together, we respect each other more. Remember, respect is not given, it's earned. And starting today, you have everything you need to earn it. Thank you everyone. That's it for now. See you again in the next video.